Got a 2026 Honda HRV and our oil life is down to 15%. We just did an oil change and now I'm going to show you how to reset that oil life. Now we just need to turn the ignition on by pressing that start stop button twice. All right, so we're just going to be using this home button and this scroll wheel right here, this scroll wheel that goes up or down. So once you press the home button, then you're going to use this scroll wheel and scroll all the way down until we get to maintenance. And then we're going to select by pushing that button. And you see right there, it says oil life 15%. Now we're going to press and hold that down for about 10 seconds. And see right there, it says maintenance reset. Now we can roll up or down. It says all due items. Item B only, item 1 only, item 2, item 3, item 4, 5, 6, 7, cancel, or all due items. And we're going to do all due items. So all we need to do now is just press down on that same button. And there it is. It says oil life 100%. And that's it. That's how easy it is to reset the oil life in a 2026 Honda HRV. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.